Acting President Constantino Chiwenga, Vice President Kembo Mohadi, and several senior government officials and service chiefs had to wake up in the dead of the night to welcome President Emmerson Mnangagwa back home around 2 a.m. after a whirlwind diplomatic tour. Sabena mashoko obuda pangwa ino achonikonzi our President Emmerson Mnangagwa is now back home. VP Chiwenga leads 2 a.m. welcome party. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina munauze mudanyi wa mchinzi. Mnangagwa had just wrapped up official visits to Equatorial Guinea, Japan, and Algeria. In Equatorial Guinea, he attended the 7th AU Mid-Year Coordination Summit, where he urged fellow African leaders to lean into homegrown solutions for the continent's challenges. From there, he jetted off to Japan, where he was the guest of honor for Zimbabwe's National Day at Expo 2025 Osaka. While in Japan, he also spoke at a business forum caught up with the Zimbabwean diaspora and assured investors that Zimbabwe is open for business, especially in tourism. He rounded off his trip with a 2-day state visit to Algeria, where both countries are recommitted to strengthening ties across various sectors. Thomas Kanooneko pangwa election cons our Mtukamiro nyika Zimbabwe Mnangagwa is now back home. Aiwa apo paakano ita official visits to Equatorial Guinea, Japan pamwechete neAlgeria. Chitiko aiwa chinoko pangwa ino VP Constantino Chiwenga vari vangori the acting president. He welcomed the president of Zimbabwe Mnangagwa at around 2 a.m. in the morning. Pinda comment section medu kutudza mafungiro enyu mutuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.